20 for marriage tips of advice to couples. 1. Choose to love each other even in those moments when you struggle to like each other. Love is a commitment, not a feeling. 2. Always answer the phone when your husband, wife is calling, and when possible. Try to keep your phone off when you're together with your spouse. 3. Make time together a priority. Budget for a consistent date night. Time is the currency of relationships, so consistently invest time into your marriage. 4. Surround yourself with friends who will strengthen your marriage. And remove yourself from people who may tempt you to compromise your character. 5. Make laughter the soundtrack of your marriage. Share moments of joy, and even in the hard times, find reasons to laugh. 6. In every argument, remember that there won't be a winner and a loser. You are partners in everything, so you'll either win together or lose together. Work together to find a solution. 7. Remember that a strong marriage rarely has two strong people at the same time. It's usually a husband and wife taking turns being strong for each other in the moments when the other feels weak. Prioritize what happens in the bedroom. It takes more than sex to build a strong marriage, but it's nearly impossible to build a strong marriage without it. 8. Remember that marriage isn't 50-50, divorce is 50-50. Marriage has to be 100-100. It's not splitting everything in half, but both partners giving everything they've got. 9. Give your best to each other, not your leftovers after you've given your best to everyone else. 10. Learn from other people, but don't feel the need to compare your life or your marriage to anyone else's. God's plan for your life is masterfully unique. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Don't miss out on more insightful discussions, life tips, and thought-provoking videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's never too late to learn and grow.